Have you ever had your battery fail at the exact moment you needed it most? If so, this video is for you. In it, we will restore a completely unusable battery that cannot even light up this bulb. We will also check the voltage to make sure that the battery is truly faulty. To loosen the stuck terminals, let's apply WD-40 to the cap. This will help clean off the dirt and make it easier to unscrew. We continue disassembling the battery. Let's drain all the old electrolyte, but do not forget about safety. Wear gloves. For the initial cleaning of the battery, it would be ideal to measure the baking soda correctly. There should be 10 grams of baking soda per liter of water. We will use 2 liters of water, so we need about 200 grams of baking soda. Fill the bottle completely with water. That will be 2 liters. Pour it in and fill the battery cells completely so that everything can fully react. Now, let's prepare an activator for our solution so that the desulfation process works better. For this, we will use a regular laptop charger. As we can see, holding it by hand would be inconvenient, so we need to use something for automatic holding. We will use a regular magnet. It will work perfectly to secure the electrical connection on the terminals. To drill a magnet, you need a special drill bit and very, very low speed so that you do not chip it, because magnets are extremely fragile. Drill the magnet from different sides. This increases the chance that it will remain intact. WD-40 will help wash away the extra dirt and magnetic dust. Connect the magnet to the positive and negative wires. As we can see, it sticks perfectly to metal and similar surfaces. So now let's connect the charger. Secure the magnet onto the working terminals. Now set it for desulfation and observe the process. Let's drain out all the old dirt, rust, and buildup. As we can see, the battery is becoming cleaner. Now we will fill the battery with electrolyte. We are beginning the assembly of the battery. Secure every bolt tightly to maintain proper sealing. And finally, the key stage, charging the restored battery with the new electrolyte. Wait until the battery is fully charged, and then quickly begin testing it. The tester is showing us positive results. The light bulb is also working again. Thank you for being with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next videos.